So John, just trying to show you what I've got here with the swing. This is the 2 3/8 dihedral support, and at the other end of the wing you can see I've got it on that one as well. And then what I notice first off, particularly the trailing edge is off the table in the center, so basically it means it's slightly flatter than the 2 3/8. And then I've done the tests of laying it down flat on each panel and looking at the ends, and there is a difference, so let's have a look at that now. So now we have the left-hand panel flat on the table and the right-hand panel up in the air, and of course now we need twice the dihedral angle. And if you look at this now, you can see fairly clearly that, can you see that? Yeah, it cuts off. So here is the trailing edge, well below this by a strong 1/4 of an inch. And the leading edge is, this very nearly fits under the sheeting. It's maybe a 1/16th down. So this indicates that the trailing edge is down relative to the leading edge when the left-hand panel is flat on the table. And I'll reverse this, and in the reverse situation it's better. Perhaps the first thing I should point out in the reversed situation, so we've got a weight on holding the trailing edge down, but you can see that the leading edge is not flat on the table. And in that situation where the trailing edge is held flat, let me move the camera to the other end and look at the total dihedral. So here we are at the other end, looking again at the total dihedral, and if you can see this point is pretty much at the center of the leading edge, and here we may be 1/8 of an inch trailing edge low. And I had thought it was better than that, and I'm going to just put a weight on that leading edge and pull it down on the right-hand panel. So that pulls the right-hand panel flat on the table. Yeah, okay. And so that puts the, this dihedral gauge it's the flat bottom of the wing is about a 1/16th below this and a 1/16th below that. So once that right-hand panel is pulled flat onto the table, this tip is pretty darn good. The last thing I want to show you is that the trailing edge does appear to be bowed. So let me set that up and I'll show you both panels. So here we still have the right-hand panel flat on the table, but you can see that trailing edge, it's touching in this corner and it's touching, well, it's not, it's slightly off over there. So it's definitely up in the air. And let me set up for the other panel. So here we are looking at the left-hand panel, and again, that's definitely off the table. It's touching at this panel is touching in this 2 edges, here and here, and in the middle it's risen off. So let's chat about it.